Factory Antique Mall, now the largest antique mall in America, with 130,000 square feet of antiques and collectibles and 250 dealers. A true shopping destination, located off exit 227 on I-81 in Verona. FactoryAntiqueMall.com.
Everence Financial is grateful to serve this community. As a faith-rooted financial services organization, we're dedicated to helping members grow more confident futures with their values in mind. Community that's doing better together.
It's been a busy year for local rocker Shagwolf as they released a new CD, completed their first East Coast tour, and are about to premiere a documentary based on the band's early days. Featuring a legendary live show, the Shagwolf sound has been shaking venues all over Virginia with no let-up in sight. Mixing diverse elements of punk, metal, and alternative music, Shagwolf is definitely a band to watch out for in 2017. And in this month's Sound Showcase, we caught up with the members of the band to discuss firsthand the Shagwolf experience.
Me and Sally were in a doo-wop folk band, and it was folk rock. Anyway, we needed an outlet to be crazy, and so we went as crazy as we could, and then we found these guys, and the band was formed. Come aboard my sinking ship. Just remember it's a secret. No one took advantage, but we certainly were tricked. 'Cause every band gets sick. And I feel alone, but I'm not alone. Followed by the sound of a saxophone. It's great. The music scene here is awesome. I love Charlottesville, Harrisonburg, Richmond, Stanton. It's really great. And all the bands are really supportive of everybody. And I just really am proud of all of my musician friends, because all the bands of my friends that I go see, they're all so good, and it's great.
With a lot of random things, so it's good for growth if you're trying to find your sound and experiment with it.
There's so many different
Virginia
genres.
Is a good place to be.
Yeah. And there's a huge DIY network like in Richmond, which we've been really enjoying, working with bands that sound nothing like us, but we all get along well, and like the sounds really complement each other. And people want to make shows happen. People want to make safe spaces happen. People want to provide shows where everybody's welcome, everybody feels good. People are moshing, but nobody's getting hurt. People are having drinks, but nobody's getting too drunk. And it's just, it's really cool. We're all about that.
Hey Virginia is a production of viewer-supported WVPT Public Media. WVPT relies on contributions from viewers like you. So, if you appreciate this show and want to help us keep bringing it to you each month, please consider making a donation to support WVPT.